Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to share a Microsoft Word document on Google Drive. Sharing a Microsoft Word document using Google Drive can be incredibly useful, especially if you're collaborating on projects, working in a team, or even just sharing files with friends and family. Google Drive makes it easy to manage and share documents securely, ensuring that everyone you choose can access the document without any hassle. However, if you're new to Google Drive or need a little extra guidance, don't worry. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be sharing documents like a pro in no time. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you like to use. Once your browser is open, type in the URL bar, drive.google.com. This will take you straight to the Google Drive homepage. If you aren't logged in already, you'll see a prompt to enter your Google account credentials. Go ahead and log in with your Google account information. This is your starting point for sharing your Word document. Once you've logged in and you're on the Google Drive home screen, the next step is to navigate to the location where your Word file is stored. This could be in a folder you created or right on the main screen of your Google Drive. Look for the file you wish to share. When you find it, right-click on the file. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options available for you to choose from. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Share. This is the key step where you'll configure how others can access your document. By clicking on Share, a new window will pop up, providing you with a variety of sharing settings. In this window, you'll see a field where you can type in the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the document with. It's crucial to enter these email addresses accurately to ensure that your document reaches the intended recipients without any issues. After you have inputted the email addresses, you'll notice some sharing options appear below. These options allow you to decide the level of access your recipients will have to the document. You can choose to let them simply view the document, which means they can see it but not change anything. Alternatively, you can grant permission to comment, allowing them to leave feedback without altering the original content. If you want them to have full access to make changes, you can opt for the edit permission. Carefully select the option that best aligns with your needs and the purpose of sharing the document. Once you have set everything up and double-check that the permissions are correct, go ahead and click on the Send button. This will distribute your document to the selected recipients, making it easy for them to access and interact with the Word document directly from their own Google Drive accounts. It's worth mentioning that sharing documents through Google Drive not only keeps your document organized in a single, easily accessible location, but also enables seamless real-time collaboration. This is especially useful in team settings or educational environments where collaboration and ongoing updates are necessary. And that wraps it up. If how to share a Microsoft Word document on Google Drive feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online because plenty more guides are on the way.